regret the hours that were stolen. So how'd you keep going? I put my shoulder to the wheel and I just